I'm not just a pretty face you can see on TikTok. I'm a mom. I have 2 sons. Moms, dads, how many times you must tell your children, I do not have money to take you any places in life. I don't have money to take you to the sea, or I do not have money to go camp. And then you go and see on TikTok how many people making money online, and you do not know what to do that you can do it too. I was there. I'm still there sometimes. My sons is big, both. One is 18 and the other one is 20. And my whole life, I can never take them anywhere in my life. Sometimes we camp, but just a week, because the people broke so many times in our house in that they steal everything you buy. So for lots of times, we didn't have money. We didn't have money to take our sons to the sea. And then I have lots of times people I know who tell me they're going to the sea, or I see it on Facebook, and I wish I can just climb in my car and go, just right, just go. For many times in my life, it was like I'm very down on the ground. Many times I did not know what to do, because sometimes my sons always need money, sometimes they need money too. And I must learn them the hard way to make money, work from very young. So my sons know how to work. They know how to survive when there are hard parts of life. And sometimes I run away because it is too hard for me. I do not know how to survive. Lots of time I'm too scared to survive. That I said like that. There's lots of people who going through my TikTok do not know me. They do not know what I'm going through in life. What I'm been through. There's lots of people judging other people. But before you judge, know me and come let I help you.